Hi, my name is Jonah. I'm from the Java 2018 bootcamp. Right behind you is where I came in every day. Got in a little early and stayed a little late. Yep, it was a grind, but I got it all done. Absolutely not. Before boot camp, I was working in property management, trying to climb, but really getting pushed down. I was very much at the ceiling, and there was no room to grow. Right now I'm working at Nexient, based out of Ann Arbor. They're a software development company, and my particular job is I'm working with the configuration and implementation of a new app that Johnson & Johnson is coming out. So it's pretty cool. It's going to enable you to actually set up surgeries for orthopedics and bariatrics right from your phone without having to go into the doctor. So new age technology. It's a 15 days out. I mean, you really want to stay motivated. You know, you're doing whatever you can to stay motivated. Finding a job is a job within itself. So you keep working hard as long as you can. I know that everyone is looking for that immediate gratification and those immediate results, but sometimes it can be very much a grind and a struggle. But you really just have to stay encouraged and just keep moving forward as much as you can. The motivation would just come with just I can look how far I've come. You know what I mean? I'm a kid from the west side of Detroit, street kid, sold candy on the corner for a fake organization that I made up just to make money. And so look how far I've come, and so like if I come this far, the door, and keep shaking the tree, something is going to fall. You have to like what you do. You gotta kind of like coding. You gotta kind of like learning. If you're gonna get into it, if you really don't like that type of stuff, it may not be the job for you. But like every day, you're constantly working on something new. Even if it's just looking at new technologies that may come out, or just working on applications or your own personal stuff. I mean, it's kind of got to be fun for you, because it's what you're asking somebody to pay you for as well. Words of wisdom: determination is the underrated attribute. You really have to stay determined. The no's won't stay being no's. Keep knocking on the door. Stay consistent. Stay positive. Very much hustle, grind. Yes, you can connect with me by my work email. It is jwooten1@nexient, NEXINT.com, or you can find me on LinkedIn, Jonah Wooten under LinkedIn as well. So,
very cool.
Or I am on Slack as well too, Jonah Wooten. So.